John from SERVPRO of Medford, Everett, Fire and Water Cleanup and Restoration. Wanted to discuss one of our most versatile pieces of equipment, which is the van that we show up in. This truck is capable of carpet cleaning, pressure washing, as well as extraction. Some of the tools that we use while using the truck is this Mac extractor. It's a great tool for extraction of glued down carpet. Next one we have here is a high volume extractor. It's a ride-on unit and it's great for carpet and pad extraction, especially when you're trying to salvage those carpet and pads. The next one here is a light wand squeegee extractor, which is great for hard surfaces and concrete. Inside the truck mount we have the vacuum line, the water supply line, the carpet tool, pressure washing gun, and an upholstery tool along with the truck mount. So if you have a disaster, we offer 24-hour emergency services for all your commercial and residential needs.